Hello guys, welcome for another video, another Ocean Wave Sculptural Bowl commission piece. As in the videos 113 and 114, it's the same process, but I will just quickly go over it. I'm using tinted resin. I added emerald paste and spread it into 3 cups and kind of diluted it with a clear resin so the wave would become create gradation from darker to lighter. And I'm just pouring it on, I'm using clear wrap, and on the left I'm using gift wrap paper. It's actually, I'm just trying to experiment using this gift wrap paper to see what effect it's gonna give me. And it actually gave me some kind of purple tint, which was okay, kind of like extra dimension to the sculpture. So now I am just spreading the wave. That this is on the very right, which is left for you. I mean, right for you, left for me. This is going to be my kind of like longest weight, the tallest, so you see the shape is accordingly. So I'm just playing around, whatever is on your mind, how you created it. My customer ordered, again, very tall waves, so that's the shape I'm choosing. And I'm just going to leave you to watch. After that, oh yeah, here I have resin tinted with the blue ink. And then I'm going to go around with the clear resin tinted with white angel paste. Here on the right, I'm just sprinkling inks and then start kind of forming waves using the wooden stick, the skewer. And now I'm just pouring white resin tinted with white paste to create this foam effect. And after that I'm gonna start using styrofoam, oh my god, I can never pronounce them, styrofoam bowls, right? Okay, you'll forgive me. Anyway, and after that 2 hours until it starts curing and lose stickiness. That's when I start my first sculpting the waves separately, and after 2 more hours I will sculpt them all together. And I will leave you here to watch. There's pretty much nothing else to add, and watch the whole process. And I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, as always, leave me a comment, and have a beautiful day. Bye. Okay, okay. So this is the next day, and this was inside this salad bowl to kind of keep it in shape, and then I wrapped it, the tape around it, and I put the weight in the middle, so I hope I'm gonna be able to pull it up. Yeah. All right, so okay, this is the weight, and let's see. And now the next step for me is gonna be adding more of this styrofoam bowls to create this lashes waves. And there is no way to do it, but just keep adding them in small portions, let it dry. So it takes me a few days to do that. My last bowl took me almost 7 days. Yeah, it's kind of like if I start adding here, right, and then I'm gonna have to turn this way and add here and let it dry. So everything is time. Like this side have to dry, then I turn this way and add balls and then let it dry. So yeah, little by little, a lot of work, but it's worth it. Look how curvy and beautiful. It's still bendy because it was on the sun. I'm in Florida, and yeah, so now I'm gonna untape, and I will start mixing resin again in small portions and stages. Add this white balls to create waves. It's a beautiful Sunday today. So sunny. This is a little bit damaged because I put the plastic here to try to curve it, and so I'm gonna cover this with this white balls. Maybe it's too early. Maybe let it sit a little longer. All right. Here on the right, I'm making simultaneously a wave for another project. So, and I also mixing the white paste, clear resin, and the styrofoam balls for this sculpture. So, not to confuse you, don't pay attention to what I'm doing on the right for another project. And here I'm just showing you how I'm mixing the styrofoam balls and create this layering these frothy waves. And after that, I'm gonna just let it dry and turn to the side and make another wave on the other side and so on.